Hello and welcome back to another tutorial, and today's video is hopefully the final installment of how to install a Twitter feed on your website. And I've put off this video for so long and I'm about to explain why. I currently use a plugin called Woo Dojo, and it has a social widgets plugin part of the entire plugin, if that makes sense. And I was going to use that in a tutorial, but that doesn't exist anymore. It was from a company called Woo Themes. To get this plugin, you would go to woothemes.com/woodojo. Well, when you do that, you get redirected to a retired product page, which is unfortunate because I really love how this Twitter feed looks on a website. It's because it's just your tweets with a thing to click to follow you. Well, because it's retired and I can't exactly give this plugin to you, I had to go search for another plugin that had a similar effect, and that is what I'm going to show you today. So yeah, that is why this video has been put off for so long, and I'm sorry. We're now going to get into it right now. What you're going to do is you are going to log in to your WordPress.org powered site. You're going to go over to plugins, go to add new, and you're going to search easy Twitter feed. And you are going to want the one just called easy Twitter feed widget plugin by Design Orbital. Hit install now and activate it. Once you have activated it, you'll then come over to appearance and widgets. You'll then scroll down and find the widget. Then you will click and drag it to where you want it to be. Scroll up. Okay. In my case, I'm going to put it above my current Twitter feed. And as you can see, it's really simple. You can give it a title, put in your username or widget ID, but I'm going to go with username because that's easier. I'm not going to mess with the width or height because this is going in the sidebar. It's going to auto adjust, have it display 3 tweets. And because my theme is on these areas, it's going to be white. So I'm going to have the light theme selected. I can deal with the link colors and border colors later, but I want to not have a header, and I don't want a footer, and I want a transparent background. Then I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to come back over to the page of which this feed will show up on. I will hit refresh, take a second for it to load. As you can see, this is my Twitter feed, and it doesn't scroll just like this one, and it gives a similar effect to what this one is. Anyway, this shows all your tweets and retweets, but you would do a similar process if you want to look through different plugins, because some of them will have an option to not display retweets, but this is one I happen to like just because it's similar to a retired product. And if you saw earlier, you can see my Instagram one is not working, but that's because it's from the retired product. So I will do a later series on how to add an Instagram feed to your websites, but I don't know when I'm going to get around to that, but it's on my to make list. Lastly, one other way you can add a Twitter feed is to copy and paste the Twitter embed code, as I have shown in part 1 of this so far 3-part series. You can put it into a text widget area, find your text widget, and you would drag it to where you want it to be, and then you just put the code right into this area. You can give it a title called My Tweets or something, then you'll hit save, and then your Twitter feed will show up on your sidebar, but it'll be the Twitter widget from Twitter directly. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a big thumbs up. You can click right over here to subscribe to my respective channels, and you can click right over here to see my previous video. And as always, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye! Oh, that one's kind of messed up. Oh well.